was a time when you gathered with friends and every amenity was at your fingertips.
Oh, there was a time, all right. Your assistant called 6 times to make sure the pillows weren't too fluffy.
There was a time where learning in a barn named after a lion, an animal typically found in barns, was only enhanced by statements of local frivolity.
There was a time, the time was during Fun Facts. Were you not listening?
There was a time where taking care of your business and your team was of utmost importance.
We just did this morning. I mean, it's right here.
There was a time, a week, this week, at Biltmore. It's happening right now. Do you know where you are?
See, I love going to new places with you guys and experiencing amazing destinations that maybe you wouldn't have gone to on your own. You come to the Biltmore Estate, you have memory dividends that you can then talk to other people about for the decades to come. We want to really cultivate experience in order to get those memory dividends. And so that's why we're sitting in a $50,000 a day barn today.
Our first keynote speaker, Gary Nealon.
And that's how you leverage AI and bots and all these other things to be able to beat them. Because they're not using the subtle nuances of an industry that an expert would have. And when you do that, you can be authentic, you can provide AI-driven content, and represent your own brand without being fake. And I think that's the key to a lot of this.
But hard work with the wrong philosophy still leads to bankruptcy. Hard work with the wrong philosophy still leads to limitation. And actually, when you actually have more time to take care of yourself, when you have space, where there's a void, where there's a blank slate, you can create more abundantly.
But man, we've got some amazing things. There's a lot of things happening in the market.
Business is OnlyFans, and my win this year is I can prove a couple followers.
I have a saying, it's easy to get a girl pregnant, it's hard to raise kids, right?
For all these babies we keep having, so that's a win. That's another win. I managed to get her pregnant again, another win.
You can't pick it up after you drop the mic.
My biggest win of 2025 is after consistently getting kicked in the nuts in Class D properties over the last year, still having a positive attitude about it, keep going, keep grinding, and making more money.
Kind of tag on what Brandon said, like if I had nuts, being kicked in the nuts over and over again this year.
Prove it.
I keep getting up and keep coming to the table and just keep pushing on.
I have also had my balls kicked in for the last 4 years.
Just to go with the theme of the morning, I help you get kicked in the balls less by the IRS.
All right, someone give me a balls joke.
And I'm really excited about all the AI stuff that I've been kind of I was gonna say balls deep. And AI stuff. I guess I did. Prove it.
Legacy Summit, day two. We are here on the back 40, which means back 4,000 acres, whatever that means, of the Vanderbilts. It took us 30 minutes, and we had to get on the freeway in order to and a trolley in order to get here. So there are 9 stations,
9 teams,
and there are 9 teams, and we are going to compete to the death.
You going down, sucker?
People are calling you guys the favorites.
I would agree with that.
Yeah. Drew, what's the key?
What the hell?
What's the key to grass fishing?
The key is to not get the damn seaweed when it doesn't count.
Dan, what went wrong? What happened here?
The basket fell off. They gave us faulty. I think it was Tim Brotz. He came and loosened the basket.
In response to the charges of basket manipulation.
But what are you talking about? There's no photos, there's no video evidence. All it is hearsay, and that does not stand up in the court of law.
Together we'll push, and then you'll steer, and then we'll get in there.
What does it feel like talking strategy with an inflatable horse in your hand?
A little bit floppy. This is a little floppy.
No, big egos, big players.
Lots of big personality.
Big wins being here. I don't know, this is cool. You guys are great, and there's a lot of information in this room, so thanks for being here.
This world can take you, need an arm around your neck, somebody you can talk to.
In the beginning of the year, we went through some really tough times. City regulations, all this nonsense with short-term rentals, but overcame it, and here we are again standing strong.
Really appreciate being in this group. I've learned so much from so many of you, and so thankful to a lot of you as well, so thank you.
I've got a lot of people in this room to thank for that, and you guys are wonderful.
Let it break you. Let it help you lay down what you held on to. Let it break you. Let it help you lay down what you held on to.
When I started Legacy in June of last year, I really didn't see myself getting to the lending business, so this is something that's coming out of this group. So I thank Rafa and Trevor for introducing me to Legacy.
With this group and then my change in my faith and relying on God, I've learned contentment, and I'm getting closer to realizing when enough is enough.
Every project, every deal buys me a little bit more time with my newborn son and helps secure his future.
That's probably my biggest win, is helping our kids, you know, just learn the investing at such an early age instead of waiting until they was almost 40 before they got into that space. So.
And just a little bit of gratitude to the ones in this room. My brother, Jason Stewart, who many of you know, Bill Phillips, Tim Blodgett, they were able to start their own lending fund. Kelly, Rehab Wallet Group, Tim, all you guys, man. I feel like I know you because I've heard so much about you already. But I would say they've been able to scale to a point where I think my big win was being able to pull the trigger and walk away from my career and look at my wife and kids and tell them Dad's doing something different, and I'll be around a little more. So, yep.
Legacy Summit, Asheville, North Carolina, here at the beautiful Biltmore Estate. I hope you guys had as much fun here as I did. This place is unbelievable. As real estate investors, I'm glad that we got to come to the largest home in the United States. And hopefully you guys have memory dividends that you can pay forward and pay you over and over and over again by having conversations about your time with Legacy at this incredible property. I hope you guys enjoyed the discussion panels. I hope you enjoyed the workshops. I hope you enjoyed the speakers. I think there was a ton of incredible value given. And I really hope you enjoyed the team building activities. That was a ton of fun. And it was just awesome to be able to link arms and build these relationships even deeper within the Legacy family. And I'm even more excited for the next summit. This one's a little bit different. This one is going to be more about relationship building, more organic connections, more kind of loosey, hanging out, having a good time, and connecting with incredible entrepreneurs in an amazing, amazing setting. So for the next Legacy Summit, we are headed to Miami, Florida. Wait for it, to hop on the wonder of the seas and cruise to the Bahamas.
I'm on a boat. Everybody look at me, cause I'm sailing on a boat. I'm on a boat. I'm on a boat. Take a good hard look at the boat. I'm on a boat, motherfucker. Take a look at me. Straight floating on a boat on the deep blue sea. Busting 5 knots, wind whipping out my coat. You can't stop me, cause I'm on a boat. Picture trick.